Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your first trade on XM. First, you'll need to set up your XM account. This involves opening a real trading account on their official website. Make sure to fill out the registration form accurately with all your personal details. After that, you'll verify your identity and residency by uploading the necessary documents. Finally, fund your account with a minimum deposit of just $5 to get started. Once your account is ready, the next step is choosing your trading platform. XM offers both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Download and install the one that best suits your needs. After installation, log in using your unique trading account credentials. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform's interface, charts, and various tools. You can explore a wide range of instruments, including forex, commodities, and stock CFDs. Now for the exciting part, placing your first trade. Start by selecting a financial instrument you're interested in, perhaps a major currency pair like EUR/USD. Before trading, analyze the market using the platform's charts and technical indicators to make an informed decision. Decide on your trade size, often expressed in lots, and set your stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk. Then, open a new order ticket and execute your buy or sell trade. After placing your trade, it's crucial to monitor your open positions regularly. Keep an eye on market movements and how they affect your trade. You might need to adjust your stop loss or take profit levels if market conditions change significantly. When your target profit is reached, or if the risk becomes too high, you can manually close your trade. Always review your trading performance to learn from each experience and refine your strategy for future trades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.